Here we are at my clinic in Tijuana, Mexico. I'm here with
Gareth Roberts.
Now, what part of the world did you come from?
Wrexham in Wales.
Okay, good. And so was Henry V. He was Welsh, you know.
Right.
Okay, what you came over? Okay, what brought you over?
I come across your videos about 9 years ago on YouTube, and I know I've had issues over the years, being very sporty, and I decided now was the time to come over.
Okay, when he says very sporty, that the Brits are known for an understatement. Okay, you're talking MMA, you're talking a bunch of other stuff. Okay, this guy is a man of steel. I know you got a cape in the closet somewhere. Okay, so what have you experienced so far? Because I know sometimes you see stuff on the internet that ain't true.
No.
I know.
I couldn't. It's been brilliant from the get-go. You know, so easily brought through from when I was picked up. Everything's so simple. Everything's broken down, and exceptional.
Now, have you met people from different parts of the world?
All over the world.
I know, it's so freaking cool. It's like, because I'm not that cool of a person, it's like the cool kids invited me to their club. Now, because I know we're doing intensive stuff. I mean, we're doing 3 to 4 adjustments a day, cross-crawl exercises, I'm in a bunch. But within 2 weeks, we're doing post-x-rays. Have we gotten your post-x-rays yet?
No, not yet.
Okay, what kind of effects have you noticed?
From the get-go? Well, I used to have to, I couldn't stand still for more than 10 minutes without having to stretch me back.
Wow.
Literally from the first day, I haven't had to stretch me back at all. So
this is cool stuff. And we're talking the muscles run down either side of the spine. They're not under conscious control. So when those suckers tighten up, it means that the organ tissue isn't working right. Now, what can you say? Because, I mean, you flew, what is it, around 8,000 miles?
Yeah, about 14 hours, I think.
14?
Yeah, 14 hours.
Next Wednesday, I'm flying 14 hours to Bangkok. Okay, so I'm with you.
Yeah.
Okay, there are people out there, because it's so much easier to take a drug or to ignore it, or to get, what brought you over there? What, because you're taking charge of your health.
Yeah.
I mean, obviously you take charge of your health. You probably sees the gym along.
Yeah.
What could you tell people out there that are they're not taking charge of their health? They've been diagnosed with chronic muscle spasms or headaches or joint pain or shaking or tremors, or diagnosed with something.
Yeah.
What would you tell them? Because you're taking charge of your health. And
yeah.
Most people don't.
Basically, you can fix anything, you know, literally. And drugs, obviously, you know, it's a temporary measure, and it's never gonna improve your lifestyle. It might alter it for that day or that hour, but if you really want to change your life, then you've got to take steps towards that.
Now, have you had the IVs and all the other stuff that we offer down here?
I've had an anti-inflammatory IV, vitamin C IV, and I plan on getting some more this week.
The anti-inflammatory IV is a big deal. It's 2.5 hours. You're talking DMSO, B vitamins, Myers cocktail, ozone. It's a big deal. Yeah, you're regenerating, brother.
Yeah.
Okay, now, I mean, if you figure it, you can look at your body as stupid or really, really smart. The body is intelligent. It gives symptoms for a reason. If you can't make it here, find somebody that does tests, because we did, x-rays, live blood cell, nerve scans. We did everything that we could do.
Yeah.
And so in 2 weeks, we're redoing everything. The nerve scans, x-rays, everything. And this is intensive therapy, but you're going to see some cool stuff.
Yeah, I was pretty messed up looking at the x-rays and everything.
Not messed up. Trauma, and just like, you know, you just keep going forward, because the way a guy is typically you got to get the job done. But eventually you got to take care of the machine.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah. Take care of yourself.
Yeah, thank you.
You're built by God. Your body gives symptoms for a reason. Don't ignore it. Take care of it. And then we can all look like this.
And come and see Dr. Bergman.
Okay, here's what I want to look like when I get older. God bless you. Take care of yourself. The planet was built for you, and you were built for the planet.